Okay, y'all. So today we're making cookies, but a different type of cookies. Today I am using box cake mix. A little bit different. I've seen this online and I thought, well, why not give it a try? So you can use whatever cake mix you want. I'm using the chocolate cake mix, as you can see here. To this, we are going to add 2 eggs, don't have to be clean about it, and then 1/3 of a cup of oil, as my phone is going off in the background. And then start mixing away. What's it gonna look like? Now from here, you could just put these in the oven as is, roll them into balls, put them in the oven, you have cookies. But me being me, I'm not just happy with that. So here, I have a chocolate bar. Any chocolate bar will do. I had it in the fridge for a bit, just to harden it up. Now this is dark chocolate with hazelnuts and currants. And I'm basically just going to give it a rough chop. Like so. And then mix it in to the cookie batter. So roughly chopped chocolate, cookie batter, all in. And then just mix it all together as well as you can. So here I have a cook sheet lined with wax paper. I'm going to use this scoop. Yes, the cookies may be a little bit small, but you don't want them too big because they will spread out. And just put them down. If you want to roll them in your hands after you scoop them, go for it. And this sheet I can get about probably 12 or a little bit more. So there you go, 12 to this sheet. Put them in 350-degree oven. Keep an eye on them for about 10 minutes. Okay, cookies are done. Take them out of the oven. Ta-da! So let them cool on the rack for a few minutes, and then slowly and gingerly put them on a cooling rack and let them cool completely. So I just wanted to say this. Even though they're not all out of the oven yet, I got about 30 cookies out of this one batch using 1 box of cake mix. As you can see, those are the sizes. Fairly good sized cookie, can't complain. And they taste good. They're not overly sweet, so be prepared for that. But if you don't mind not too sweet cookies, these are great for you. Hope you enjoy. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Have fun.